Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I am going to share my experience using KAILAS JEEVAN Cream. Basically it's a multi-purpose cream which you can use in your various condition. Before that I'll tell you more about the cream. It's an Ayurvedic product for ailment caused by bodily heat and pith. It has a cooling ingredient like coconut oil, sandalwood oil, bhimseni kapoor. This Ayurvedic product can cure everything from acne to burns to cold, everything. I mean, everything. And it can be used both externally and also consumed internally. I mean, anyone can use this, from children from 4 years, they can use it, to adult, teenage, everyone can use this. It's completely safe to use. If you remember, I uploaded one shot that my skin got infected after we went to pool, from tan to itchiness, and after that one of my friends suggested me about this cream, and trust me, within 2 days, only 2 days, this one has worked like magic. Also made my skin so soft. So basically it's a multi-purpose cream. You can use it for like ringworm, acne, boils, warts, childblain, shoe bites, prickly heat, dermatitis, herpes zoster, pain in gums. Like you can use everywhere. Even like if you have burning sensation in eyes, you can also use it. Forehead, palm, everywhere you can use it. It's completely safe. So just give it a try and you won't regret. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. Anybody can buy it. So that's how the texture of the cream looks like. Everything is mentioned backside of the bottle, uses from ingredient and in what condition you can use. Even though if you don't have any of the problems, just keep it with you as if like we keep Vaseline with us. This one really helps anywhere, anytime. I mean, for chapped hands, cracked feet. I also use it on face for acne and it works. You can also give it a try. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care. Bye.